Hi there, Barry Longden here again. Today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial about how you can assign class notebook pages within Microsoft Classroom to your students. So you'll notice that I'm currently inside of Classroom right now, so you'll access that through going through the Office 365 page. So what I'm going to do right now is you'll notice I'm on my digital educator test class. You'll want to create a new assignment here in a moment, but first thing you need to do is if you don't already have the class notebook set up for this particular class, you want to click on class notebook and follow the steps to do that. Once you've got your class notebook all set up, then you'll be ready to add pages to the assignments that you give your students. So to click on new assignment, we're gonna add a notebook page from the class notebook to our students, and they'll be able to work on that. So I'm just gonna type in Unit 1 vocabulary. We'll make it due next week. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna click on the Attach button. So the Attach button will allow you to choose. There's some different options. We're going to go to the class notebook and select pages from OneNote to assign to our students. So I'm in my digital educator test class. It'll populate here right now. So notice I'm going to go to my content library. The content library will house all of my assignments. We're in Unit 1. And then I will choose the page called Unit 1 Vocabulary. So that's got a check mark on it. You can select as many pages as you wish. And what this will do is it will give a copy of that particular page to your students, and it will put it inside of their private folders. So we'll click Attach once you've chosen the right pages. Make sure we have the right classes assigned. And notice that you can even select classes that aren't part of this class. So if you wanted to assign this to different classes of the same content area, or even classes that have a different content area, you can do that as well. Okay, we'll click Done, and then we'll take a look and see how this looks from the student perspective. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the class notebook now. I'm going to click on that link. It'll open up a new tab for you. So inside of class notebook, what we're going to do is we're going to investigate a few students' folders and see if they have the assignment that we gave to them. We'll also check the content library to show that the original file is still there. So if I click on the content library, let's take a look and see what's inside of there. So notice that we have the Unit 1 section selected. We have the Unit 1 vocabulary page. That one's up there, so that one still exists. Let's take a look at one of the students here, and we'll show that that same file is now inside. Notice now that we're in the assignments category that I had set up already. So that's where the default place will go. It'll go to the assignments one. Otherwise, it'll just put it in whatever the first one happens to be. So since we're in assignments, it gave it here, and there's the page. It made a copy for that student. And in fact, it actually did this for all of the students as well. So what it will do is this now makes an editable copy of that page. So if you recall, the content library doesn't allow you to edit that page directly inside of the content library. But once a student has a copy of that page inside of their private folder, they can now edit it. So that's how you assign pages from the class notebook in Classroom. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you later. Bye.